Welcome to the new building. I'm very happy to share with you this special moment. This is late night. It's just the night before the opening of the new e-building. What is this e-building? This building will light up our future, because in this building we will be able to do something unique. We will be able to assemble different kind of cars, the combustion engine, the hybrid and the electric. We'll be able to master over there different technologies that will be fundamental to make our Ferrari unique. Because these technologies, together with the handcraft of our team, will continue to deliver to the entire world something that is really unique. E in front of the building means three things: energy, environment and evolution. And this is something that has been made possible in only 2 years, thanks to teamwork, thanks to focus, and I'm sure this e-building will allow Ferrari to continue to audaciously redefine the limit of possible.